Welcome to a combination bike lock that I got from VDE. I believe it's a challenge lock. That's because here is the label with a predefined code, and he writes that this is not the code anymore and good luck, and I should take it apart. So I believe he has been into this lock and made a challenge lock out of this. It was very hard for me not to give it a try until I had the time to switch on the camera, but now is the time to decode it. I pull apart those two end pieces and yeah, let's see what I can feel. Not much on the first wheel. Oh yeah, it stops here. Second wheel is really bound, so maybe it's good. And the last wheel moves. Oh, and it's open. Oh, that was easy. Okay. Oh, then let's take it apart. Let's have a look inside. I think I need a screwdriver to get this clip off. Yeah, here it's off. Now I should be able to get these wheels out, so we can see that's the outer wheel. The first outer wheel has this cutout here. That's the nose where the teeth of the shackle can slide through. Then we have the inner wheel, and we have a spacer made from plastic, and I think this somehow makes the clicks. I'm not quite sure. It had also the cutout here, or maybe that's the inner wheel and this was just the spacer. This repeats. Maybe it's not a challenge lock, maybe it's just a normal lock where he changed the combination. Alright, that was it. Nothing, no more parts inside of here. Here we have the shackle, the bolt with the teeth. This can slide in, and depending on the position of these other parts, either it is blocked if it's located or turned like this, or if it's turned like that, it's free. So I will have a closer look to these items here, to these parts, and then I'll be back with a short explanation. Okay, it's actually very easy. So I've reassembled one complete wheel. So we have the outer wheel. You can see the little cutouts here on the inside, and these cutouts here go in the little bumps that you can see on the inner wheel, and that's just the spacer. So when the inner wheel's cutout is aligned to that groove, the shackle can slide in, or the bolt with the teeth can slide in, and depending on the position of the outer wheel, you will see a different number on the outside. So for example, like so, the 1 is aligned with the inner wheel's cutout, and maybe like so, the 5 is aligned with the inner wheel's cutout, and so you can change the number, and you can see it turns with clicks at distinct positions, and that's the job of this piece here. It's hard to turn with a finger, but with a wheel here it's very easy. Why is this actually the case? Ah, it doesn't turn. Ha, that's the trick. This piece here stays at the same place, and only the outer wheel clicks inside, riding with these spring-loaded arms on the inside, and gives these clicks, and that's how this works, so that you can easily turn at a number and don't stop in between. Alright, I think I will reassemble this and will send it to someone else to spread the fun. Thank you very much for watching, happy picking, and bye bye!